Meaning of Harriet Tubman.
Harriet Tubman.
Harriet Tubman.
Harriet Tubman.
Harriet Tubman. Harriet Tubman was an African-American abolitionist and political activist born into slavery in the early 1820s. She escaped to freedom in 1849 and subsequently made some 13 missions to rescue over 70 enslaved people, using the network of anti-slavery activists and safe houses known as the Underground Railroad. She also served as a spy for the Union Army during the Civil War and was an advocate for women's suffrage. Tubman is widely recognized as a hero of American history and is celebrated for her courage, determination, and devotion to the cause of freedom.